Hi, Letty. Thanks for jumping on and taking some time to answer some questions. And also thank you for being a YPN sponsor. We are here today to shed some spotlight on you. So who is your company and what do you do?
Well, my company is Commerce Home Mortgage, and I'm a loan officer with them. I've been there for a couple of years now, but worked there previously. So been with the gang there at Commerce for a while.
Okay. And then what areas do you serve?
The majority of my business is with the builder, a construction company over in Clovis, Watson Castanos. And so I do a lot of business with them at their subdivisions. So I work the weekends at their model homes to service, provide loans for their clientele.
Awesome. And during COVID, how has your company adapted and have you guys made any changes?
Yeah, quite a few changes. We've all gone practically remote. There are a few of the gals that are working in the office that can work there. They've limited the employees that are there. Of course, we only go by appointment only. If we have to meet with the client, we'll meet with them there at the office. But for the most part, the loan officers have been working from home and then just meeting with clients when we absolutely have to, going by phone, by emails, by Zoom meetings, whatever it takes to get the job done for them. Yeah, but it's been a little more difficult as everybody else is, and it's been so very busy. So
yeah. And the fourth question, how have you remained relevant and connected to the community and your clients during these months?
A lot of phone calls, constant phone calls, text messages, social media. It's taken it's a little harder, but I think for the most part, most people are all very understanding with dealing with different situations of COVID. I, for myself, have been working from home. I have my father living with me now for a year. He's 92 years old, so I'm very careful with his health. And as well as my husband's, I'm very careful with his health as well, so that I don't, want to bring anything home to them.
Right.
So for most part, people seem to be very understanding, and they've gone through quite a few loan closings. So we've managed either emailing, faxing, however it is that we can stay in communication and just to get the job done for the borrower. And again, as far as out in the community, of course, we haven't been able to do that other than if there's some kind of Zoom meetings with, other church members or prayer groups or whatever the affiliations outside of work.
All virtual these days.
All virtual, correct.
And then the last and final question is, do you have any special programs or promotions that are active or you plan to roll out soon?
We have some loan programs that we're they have brought back into the forefront as far as loans that are not your typical income qualifying loans. And so they rolled those out a little before COVID and they suspended them for a while. So they're bringing those back in to play. So that's going to be a big benefit to us because we do have a lot of clientele, be it maybe self-employed borrowers that need a different type of loan than your traditional person that works 40 hours a week.
Well, thank you for answering these questions and taking the time.